Hello, my name is Kelly Heffley. I'm with Hivehouse Digital, and today we're going to go over a tech tip of the week. We at Hivehouse Digital are HubSpot partners, so we have lots of people on the team that have extensive HubSpot knowledge and know how to use this big, huge platform that has lots of features. So just thought we'd share some knowledge with you. So first thing we're going to do today is connect our email to HubSpot. First thing you're going to do is go to your account. You see right here, we are on our dashboard. We're going to click on the icon, go to email, and then right here, connect personal email. You have different options. You can do Google, Office 365, Exchange, or others. At Hivehouse Digital, we use Google, so we're going to go ahead and do that. See right here, you can read through this if you want. Click continue. And then here, it's going to ask for some permissions. This is really helpful because view your email messages and settings, send email on your behalf. You can do things like automation there and make it really, really beneficial, and so on. All right, so it's going to connect. There we go. It is connected. Now it's going to send a test email just to make sure that that connection fully went through. That's it. That's today's tech tip of the week. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when we post new content, including next week's tech tip. And yeah, thanks.